fine. In this video, I'm using two indicator, and this two indicator will give you the accuracy around 90 to 95% accuracy, and you will get consistent profit on a daily basis. Okay, let's start the video. It's a very simple. Just I'm using two indicator. The first indicator is simple Oga high volume, and this indicator will give you the information about the volume. Okay, the green mean the buy volume and the red mean the sell volume. Okay, and the second indicator simple logo 4.8 is giving you the band lines, three band line, the upper band line, lower band line, and the middle band line. Okay, and the second thing indicator is giving you a lot of buy and sell signals. Okay, there are a lot of fake signals, so that's why we are using second indicator as a confirmation and will get you accurate signal. Okay, and the third thing here is I'm using RSI ribbon. Okay, this is the, here you can see the ribbon that is called the RSI. Okay, that is the most important. Okay, now we have need to watch how we can get consistent profit and how we have need to filter out the fake signals. Okay, first, when you will see red candles, here you can see there are red area, that means there is a sell volume. Okay, that is a strong sell volume. Okay, and you have need to need, like here you can see when the red area starts, you have need to open your sell position from this point. Okay, you have need to open your sell position. Your stop loss will be previous high point will be your stop loss, and make sure and the second it is indicator is loading, so it will be loaded in few seconds, and your target will be lower band lines. Okay, let me show you. Indicator is loading and still loading. Okay, now here you can see this is the buy volume. You have need to open your buy position from this point. Your stop loss will be lower point, and here you can see now the indicator is loaded. Here you can see this is your entry, sell entry from this point, and your stop loss is this one, and you can see clearly RSI is red one, so that is your perfectly position, and you have need to target the lower band line, that is your target. You can see target hit, date successful. Now you have need to watch another one, got the sell signal. Okay, area is red, so this is your sell position. Okay, and you can see easily your target hit. Now open your buy position, your stop loss will be here, and your target is like this one. Okay, still market going upside, but we have need to target upper band line, like here you can book your profit or you can book your profit here. Both are good one, but I will recommend just book your profit here. Like when you got the position, the price of the BTC was 81,982, and now the market is 84,195. It's around more than 400 $4,000 movement. That is actually a very good movement. Okay, okay, now let's move further. Here you can see open your buy position. Okay, and here you can see RSI is red, green one from this point, so that is your buy position, stop loss, and take profit. Now here you can see sell position. Okay, okay, now RSI is green one, but that is your not a confirm entry. Okay, so we have need to ignore that one. Let's move further. Here you can see at from this point, let me show you, just indicator is loading, and now here buy position, target, RSI is green one, so that is your easily targeted. Okay, now this one sell position, your target, yes, it's a very small profit, but the point is you are getting profit, at least you are not getting the loss. Okay, like here this one entry point and you target hit. Okay, here is one easily target hit. Okay, when there is no candle, here you can see there is no area, no no green area, no sell area, that means there is no volume. Okay, so you can ignore that area. Okay, okay, let me show you some more entries. Like here you can open your buy position. okay, and need to target the lower band line, easily target it. You can see RSI is red one, okay, you target your entry, and that is one is target. Your stop loss will be previous high point, and that was your stop loss. Okay, okay, let's move further. Okay, and let's see results in some other pairs like gold and some other results. Okay, here you can see that is your entry point, that is another entry, and you can see your target easily hit. Let's see the results in gold. In the gold, let's see, easy, very easy strategy. Even a very beginner who do not know anything about the trading can easily use my indicators and will get lot of profits. Okay, like here this one, entry points, target hit. Okay, now another entry point, because the RSI is green one from this point, and you can see target hit. Now at this point you can see easily your entry from this point, okay, and you can see your target hit. Okay, let's move further. Okay, that is your entry, and your that is your exit point. You can see clearly example, you are not in loss. These trades are not in loss, because like this one, that is your entry point, okay, and that is your exit point. So that is your very small profit, but the point is you are not getting loss. Okay, like this one, entry point, and there is another entries and get profit. Okay, there is another entry here and got the profit. Okay, there is no volume, and after that you got the sell volume, but here candle is almost touching to the lower band point, and you're getting sell volume, so that is not your entry. Now here you can see this is the buy volume, and when you got the buy signal, and make sure the RSI is green one, then we have need to open your buy position. Let's see the results in 5-minute time frame. In the 5-minute time frame, because this indicator is work on all time frame on all markets, either you are using forex, crypto, indices, whatever, this indicator work perfectly. Okay, let me show you here. This was is not our entry, because here you can see when the green area start, our candle is lower, you can see candle is below from the lower band line. So our target is lower band line when you got the red candles, so almost touching to the target. So why we need to take the entry? There is no meaning of entry from this point. Okay, here you can see this is your perfect entry. Like here you can see RSI ribbon is green one, and buy volume, and you can see buy entry, got the target. Okay, let's move further. If you got the entry you can go, but and that is not our perfect entry. Our perfect entry will be like this one. At this point you can see RSI is green one, okay, buy volume. So this is your perfect entry, and you can see you got the profit. Your stop loss will be previous low point, like you, and you can use this is stop loss. Okay, this one is your perfectly entry, and you can see you got the profit. Okay, let's move further. Okay, now this is your entry, because like if you will see that candle is touching to the lower band line. Okay, and now from this point, like from this point, that market is going downside, but the candles are below from the RSI. But at this point the RSI is upside, or sorry, the candle is upside from the RSI, so you can go for the buy position. Okay, you can go for the buy position. This is your entry point, because I know when the candle come inside the RSI, this candles are below, but this candle come upside from the RSI, so this is your entry point. Okay, you can target upper band line. Okay, and need to a stop loss from the previous low point, like this one. This is your another entry, and perfect entry. I got the profit here. Here you can see you can go for the sell position. RSI, you can see candles are below from the RSI. Okay, and this is your entry point, and you can see easily target hit. Okay, just need to watch the volume, and here you can see you can go for the buy position From this point your stop loss will be there, and you can target the upper band line and easily target it. Okay, let's move further. Here you can see there is another perfect entry because the RSI is green or red one and sell volume, so this is your another perfect entry and got the profit. Okay, now this is your another perfectly example of buy example, and you can see your target hit. Okay, all the time you are getting so much profit. And let's see the results in some other pairs like Euro USD or stocks, like let me show you results in a stock and Indian market as well. Okay, you can see perfectly trade and got awesome profit. Okay, this sell volume candle is touching to the lower band line, so that is not our valid entry. Okay, let's move further and need to find this perfect entries and get the profit. Okay, there is another perfect entry. This one is the most recent trade, and you can see you are almost to the target. Okay, you are almost very close to the target. Okay, let's see in USD chef, and you can see you're getting accuracy more than 90%. Okay, like this one perfectly example, I got awesome profit. Okay, in the 5 minute time frame. Okay, let's see the results in Indian market, like Indian market, bank nifty or nifty 50. Okay, nifty 50, you can see indicators work perfectly on all pairs, on all markets, like either you are using forex, crypto, indices, stock, Indian market, the indicator work perfectly fine. Okay, here you can see results are awesome. You can see you are getting awesome profit all the time. You have need to watch the accuracy is awesome. Okay, you can see indicator work perfectly fine on Indian market. Okay, now let's watch the results in some other pairs, like this one is the most profitable and perfect example and got awesome profit. Okay, let's see the results in some stocks. Okay, indicator is loading. Okay, stocks like uh, okay, let's see that Tesla. Okay, now watch, completely perfectly fine working. Okay, you can see working awesome fine, that is your perfect entry, got awesome profit. Okay, now this is your buy entry. Okay, but target is on the upper band line, so we do not need to trade from this point. Okay, let's see results in SPY. Okay, indicator chart is loading, and now it's loaded. Now you can see this was the most recent example and you target it. That's, I know that is your very small profit. Okay, but the point is you are getting some profit, at least not a not trades, not lost trades. Okay, so you can see indicator is working perfectly fine, or some on all the indicator either you are using forex, crypto, and asset stock. So how you can get this indicator? If you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also my indicators are paid, not free, but not hundreds of dollars. Okay, Telegram, if you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must, because there are lot of fake Telegram channels, so you need to be aware, because they are all scammers who are using fake Telegram channels. I do not have any fake any Telegram channel. Okay, you have need to personal contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp or Gmail. Simple होगा @gmail.com. Must like my video, must subscribe my channel, must subscribe my channel. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care. Any question, any query you can ask me. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.